YouTube TV has changed the way people watch television, and one of its best features is its unlimited cloud DVR. But can you really record on YouTube TV just like a traditional DVR? The answer is yes, and it's even better. Unlike cable DVRs, YouTube TV lets you record unlimited shows and movies without worrying about storage limits. Whether you're watching live sports, your favorite TV show, or news broadcasts, you can save everything to watch later at your convenience. The best part? You can record multiple shows at once, even if they air at the same time. With a traditional DVR, you are often limited to record one or two shows at a time. But YouTube TV removes that restrictions. All recordings are saved in the cloud for up to 9 months, meaning you have plenty of time to catch up on your favorite content. And yes, you can even fast forward through commercials on most recorded shows. Wondering how to set up recording on YouTube TV? It's incredibly easy. Just find the show, movie, or live event you want to record and then click the plus button. Once you do that, YouTube TV will automatically record all upcoming episodes or airings of that program. You can also delete unwanted recordings anytime to keep your library organized. One of the biggest advantages of YouTube TV's DVR is that it works across multiple devices. You can watch your recorded show on your smart TV, smartphone, tablet, or computer, whenever and wherever you want. There is no need for extra DVR equipment or external hard drives. Everything is stored safely in the cloud, so you don't have to worry about losing your recordings. But what if your YouTube TV DVR isn't working? Sometimes users face issues where a show doesn't record properly or the recording disappears. This can happen due to regional restrictions, internet connection problems, or content licensing limitation. A quick fix is to check your recording settings, ensure your internet is stable, and restart your device. In most cases, recordings work seamlessly, but it's good to know how to troubleshoot. Another exciting feature of YouTube TV's DVR is that you can pause and rewind live TV. If you have missed an important moment in a live sports event or want to replay a news segment, you can easily rewind and watch it later. This brings the same convenience as cable TV, but with added bonuses of unlimited DVR storage. So, how does YouTube TV's DVR compare to traditional cable DVRs? With cable DVR, you are usually limited to a certain number of hours of recording, and once your storage is full, you need to delete old content. YouTube TV completely removes the limitation by allowing endless recording without running out of space. Plus, cable companies charge extra fees for DVR services, while YouTube TV includes DVR at no additional cost. If you want to record only one episode instead of the entire series, YouTube TV currently records all future airings of the show automatically. While you can't limit to a single episode, you can always delete episodes manually once they have aired. For many users, this is a small inconvenience compared to the benefits of unlimited storage. Many people ask, how long does YouTube TV keep recordings? The answer is 9 months. This means you can save shows and movies for a long time, but they won't stay there forever. If you want to keep a program longer, you might need to re-record it before it expires. Overall, YouTube TV's unlimited DVR is a game changer. It gives you full control over your YouTube experience, allowing you to record and watch content whenever and however you want. If you haven't tried YouTube TV's DVR yet, now it is the time to take full advantage of it. Start recording your favorite shows today and never miss a moment again. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.